Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. Sunday, January the 27th, the year 2019. Let's talk trading, weekly open and gap. Yeah, I know. I missed the last four trading days. You might even hear it in my voice. I was down for the count. Under the weather, so that's why there were no videos from Tuesday through Friday. But I'm on the recovery side now, so hopefully the videos will pick right back up. So let me know, how was your money and risk management last week without me there to remind you on a regular recurring basis? Hopefully you didn't forget. Okay, weekly gap. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that have not filled the gap. So there's still an opportunity there. And we look at the year, we're still below that yearly open right there, 66 pips. Almost crossed it on Friday, but not quite. Close, no cigar, right? And here, once again, looking at that first day's range, first day of the month range, and here we're putting in the first day of the week range. Interesting here, if you look at the yearly close minus open, you can see there's been some nice movement this month. 611 pips, 530, 475. So once again, there's a line, simple line. You can trade the cross. And still we're below the last 12 months of opens. Once again, inside the range of the first day of the month. And inside bars, you can see here euro yen is back in that inside bar that was what, 5 days ago or 5 trading sessions ago. You can see here we've got the Australian New Zealand dollars is inside bar 1 bar ago. Here on the daily. Weekly, we've got a couple that were 1 bar ago, the CAD franc and the Euro CAD. And 1 month ago, still Euro USD. Okay, on the daily, you can see where we are. We went in and out of that upper wick zone already one time. And the ranges, not much happening except with the new beast, the pound New Zealand, already 132 pips. Looking here, we've got the weekly highest open from last week was right there. Daily highest open right there. And the weekly lowest open right there. And the buy zone, you can see here, there's the pivot. So once again, trading in the direction of the pivot whenever we get that motion. Still haven't hit it now. Only 30 pips of range, so no rat zone trading. Pivot point. I'm trying to remember last week. See, yeah, there was there was the monthly S1. Trying to remember, did we have the weekly pivot we were looking at somewhere down in this area? Now, you still see we've got 2 pivots that haven't been hit this year, 2 from last year, and this daily one looks like they want to take that out. Okay, price action. 1 ball at the bottom, green at the line. 1 ball at the top, red at the line. What could be simpler, right? Some some traders are really liking this. I'm happy to be of service. Wick zone, in and out. We know that happens. Waiting for one of these lines to hit before placing a trade here. And you can see here on the tick chart, we've had some ticking down. Einstein line, there was a break to the upside, now a break to the downside. Once again, simple horizontal line from when we start to trade. See, during the week, I got some questions and people looking for help. Traders, if you want me to help, you have to help me help you. So when you send me a screenshot, send the screenshot of everything, like what's over here in this corner and everything. So I can know what you see. Because if you just send me, just this part, that's not going to help me. Because there might be something over here that lets me know why it's not working the way you think it should work. And just make a copy of your template and send it to me, because if you're talking about my indicators, I have the indicators, but if you send me your templates, then I can see the inputs and figure out what's wrong. Is it a code problem, or maybe the input needs to be adjusted? So help me help you by doing that. Otherwise, it's just a series of emails back and forth asking questions and me trying to guess at what's wrong. So if you guys could do that, that would be a big step forward. Okay, let me see. Was there some other question? Oh yeah, somebody was talking about the okay, where was it? They were asking about, in one of my videos from a while ago, I was talking about, you look up when you're using a 3-level ZZ semaphore, you look up a time frame. So if you saw a 3-ball here, or like you see a 2-ball here, so we're on H1, so you move up a time frame. So we move up to H4. And so you see here on H4, we don't have a 3-ball or 2-ball here. So what that means is it's okay to go back down and trade the reversal the next hour. Because if on H4, if we were to have a 1-ball here, that means price is still breaking out. So that would be like, no, wait. So that's what that was all about. So I hope I answered that question. I'm trying to think, was there any other questions? I said, sorry about that. I'm on the recovery side, and body is trying to get rid of all that crap that's inside. So I apologize for the coughing. Trying to remember if there was another pressing question. I think that was it. I don't know about your emails, but I am just getting flooded with more of these marketers trying to sell me on their methods or their indicators. And it's I guess maybe they realized that I don't have indicatoritis anymore. They just probably got my name somehow, and they just keep sending me their stuff. It's like they send me about their dashboard. They go, I'm the guy that or one of the guys that really put those dashboards out there, and then other people started doing dashboards. I mean, I wasn't the first to do a dashboard, but it just seemed like after I started posting them, then other people started jumping on the bandwagon, and that's okay. Oh yeah, I found out that there's still people putting my code over on Forex Factory. I mean, guys, really, they don't like me over there, so don't post my code in the first place, but really don't post it over there. And if you see it posted over there, tell Forex Factory that, they're not supposed to be posting my code. They kicked me off that site. Jeez. It's over a decade ago, I think. Or almost a decade ago. Yeah, let's say this is 2019. I think I got kicked off of there around 2009, if I'm not mistaken. It's been so long. But really, I just, some people, they just get these things in their mind. They just won't let it rest. Anyway, I think that pretty much wraps up the week. So I'll let you guys get on with your trading. And just remember, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. So go out there and drain the banks.